We are going to get you wet.
Top 10 tips you should consider when building your swimming pool in South Florida. Congratulations on starting your project, the construction of the pool of your dreams. Completing this project is a major milestone, and it can be quite daunting if you don't have all the pieces in place. Here we give you the 10 most important tips before starting the construction of your pool to make your dream a success. Number 1, be clear on the benefits that you want to address when building your own swimming pool. To enjoy with family and friends. As a reward for your efforts and sacrifices. To relax after a hard day's work. To exercise and improve your health. To significantly increase the value of your property. Number 2, make a well-detailed budget. The first thing to keep in mind is that you must know your limits and how much you can spend without sacrificing other things in your life. You should consider the site conditions where you will build your pool, the permitting process, the diverse and multiple functions, features, and extras that your swimming pool could include. Number 3, you must evaluate the site conditions because they may affect your budget. Property utilities, such as electrical installations, water, gas, sewer services, etc., must be identified. Will they have to be relocated? These may be an additional expenses. Is there anything to demolish or tear down? Do you have ample access for machinery to enter? Is your terrain flat? Is your soil solid or muddy? Is there water at a shallow depth? Number 4, permits can take time and come with costs. What are the setbacks authorized by your municipality? Do you have any structures that have been built without the corresponding permits? Is your property in a homeowners association that must authorize modifications to your home? 5, choose the pool of your dreams that fits your budget. A starting point to consider for the pool only is $50,000. The bigger the pool, the higher the price. The right pool equipment will not only keep your pool clean and easy to maintain, and it will also translate in significant savings in the medium and long term. Choosing your favorite pool deck that will tie pool surroundings is important. There is a wide selection of materials to choose from. They have an average price of $3,000 per 200 square feet of decking. It all depends on the material you select and if it is non-slip and that it does not overheat. If you decide to include a spa to your pool for those therapeutic, relaxing and meditative moments, you will need to add at least $12,000 to your budget. Depending on how much equipment and functions are installed, it could reach $30,000. There are also 5 features that give an extra appeal to your backyard and your swimming pool. Prices start at $3,500. Another item to consider is the barbecue outdoor kitchen. They start at $8,000. The water features can give a greater appeal to your pool, not only in the visual aspect, but in the acoustics, since the waterfalls and the sound they make are really relaxing. These items start at $900 and have a price range as high as you would like to invest in your backyard pool. Aluminum structures or pergolas. They come in a variety of styles and cost from $9,500. 6. Now, a crucial step. Since you must determine how much you should invest in your swimming pool and beautification of your backyard. Investment and real estate experts recommend that, if you plan to live in your residence for less than 3 years, your investment range should be between 10% and 15% of the current price of your property. If you plan to live in your residence for more than 5 years, your investment range should be between 15% and 20% of the total value of your property. If you are planning on financing the construction of your swimming pool, we recommend that you visit our website on financing page, where you can make calculations of how much you should invest monthly, your pool project. Number 7. Since you have established the budget and the feasibility of the investment, it is necessary to choose the type of pool that suits you best. In this article, we will deal only with pools built with Shotcrete, since you choose the size and shape. They seem to be more expensive than prefabricated pools, but in terms of finishes and durability, they have no comparison. These pools significantly increase the value of your property. They have a greater range of materials to embellish them and endless additional functions. The only drawback that these pools have is that all the people you meet will look for a way to invite themselves to come to your house and enjoy your backyard. Number 8. If you are looking for the cheapest on the market, you better think twice about your decision, since those who give you the cheapest in this type of projects are very likely unaware of the science of pool construction and can leave you halfway, with a big hole in your backyard, and then you must pay much more. The biggest problem with companies that do not know how to calculate the right prices and to win the business, are willing to sacrifice their profit, is that at the time of inconveniences they run away because they do not have fluency or economic support. Thousands of families have suffered from scams in Florida. Number 9. Choose a company with experience and reliability. For the construction of a beautiful and functional swimming pool, not only basic construction knowledge is required, but it is also essential to be an expert in the science of pool construction. In the construction of swimming pools, there are no shortcuts. The process is complex and requires careful controls and specific technology. Every detail, from the choice of materials, times, processes, qualified personnel, state-of-the-art equipment, must be considered responsibly and efficiently. Omitting any variable from the equation will result in a very costly tragedy for you and your household. And 10. Learn to see beyond the obvious. A company's experience is demonstrated not by words, but by deeds. Ask for references from those who have built their pool with whom you have a choice. Cheap is expensive. Learn about the equipment, materials, valves, pipes, construction processes, etc. Trust the company that gives you a more detailed and in-depth explanation, which does not skimp on showing you how they work and what they include in their proposal. A great analogy is of a good restaurant. Why are you willing to pay more for a dish served to you in several places? The name of the dish may be the same, the appearance too, but we are sure that you like the good, the quality and freshness of the ingredients, the attention of the waiters, and the passion and knowledge that the chef uses to prepare that delicacy. The logic is the same for something as important as building the pool of your dreams. At Arroyo Pools, we can lend you a hand to support you and provide you with everything you need to build your pool in the most appropriate, economical, profitable, smoothed and transparent way, because your family deserves it.
Call us today. 786-499-9930.